Where can I find logs on recent USB insertion in the event viewer? I am using Windows 10 and would like to find logs of recent USB insertions on my desktop. Using the built-in event viewer, where can I find these logs?
I'm not aware of a full list, so run a tool called Event Ghost. When a device is attached or removed, you see an event on the left side. It includes a string with a hardware ID. Look for the ID of your mouse.
Per Scott Schlefly's answer, Windows does not log this event by default. However, you can do this with a third-party utility. One I found useful to log USB activity. This URL. Use BlogView is a small utility that runs in the background and records the details of any USB device that is plugged or unplugged into your system. For every log line created by Use BlogView, the following information is displayed: event type, plug/unplug, event time, device name, description, device type, drive letter, for storage devices, serial number, only for some types of devices, vendor ID, product ID, vendor name, product name, and more.
Try Logman X Trace. USB insertion is not a logged event in Windows Event Viewer by default. You can create event traces for USB devices using Logman by following these steps located in this TechNet article. In an administrative command prompt, enter the following. This will create a trace at %systemroot %tracing/usetrace.etal. This log can become excessively large, and logging all activity for the USB stacks is not going to be a good idea. Between multiple sessions, this is more for troubleshooting USB activity. USB disks will cause event ID 4688 to be logged to Windows and GT security when inserted and mounted by the OS. Maybe that's enough, but there isn't a log entry anytime a USB device is connected. If the concern is removable storage devices, you can enforce auditing through group policy as described here. Enforce a PO with the following: computer configuration and GT, security settings and GT, advanced audit policy configuration and GT, object access and GT, audit removable storage and GT, success and failure if desired, audit event boxes checked.
On a device running Windows 7 or 10, there are several events recorded in the event logs when you plug in a USB device into a system that requires a driver. You can see USB devices being connected, as well as see when they are disconnected by using the event viewer to parse the Microsoft/Windows/Driver Frameworks user mode/operational event log. By default, this event log is not enabled, so if you're interested in an event that's occurred before you enable this log, you're out of luck.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.